569 gallons we're supposed to convert to cubic feet. We have conversion factor which says that 1 cubic feet is equal 7.481 gallons. So what I have to do? Rewrite this problem one more time. I have 569 gallons. Next I have to multiply this value by my conversion factor, and remember we're supposed to eliminate gallons and convert this to feet. That's why I'm going to write the gallons in the denominator. I have 7.481 gallons and I have 1 cubic feet in the numerator. Gallon and gallon will cancel out, and simply multiply 569 by this fraction. Remember, we can convert this to fraction, numerator times numerator, denominator times the denominator, times 1 cubic feet over 1 times 7.481, it's just 7.481. This is equal 569 cubic feet over 7.481. This is equal 76.059 cubic feet. And this is the solution to my problem. 220 liters to gallons. We have conversion factor which says that 1 gallon is equal 3.785 thousandths of a liter. I'm going to use this conversion factor, and I'm going to have 220 liters times this conversion factor. But remember, we want to eliminate liters. I have to make sure that I'm going to have liters in the denominator. 3.785 liters is equal 1 gallon. Liter and liter will cancel out, and I'm going to have, again, in proper fraction, multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. You are going to have 220 gallons divided by 3.785. This is equal 58.12 gallons. This is the solution to my problem.